Hello guys, this is Sayed here. Hello guys, this is Sayed here. Welcome to the new episode of Wild Plants Reviewed. And I'm here in the conservancy, one of the conservancies. I'm trying to uh, find some wild plants, and I'm gonna work on them and try to identify and bring the video to you. And I'm in my expedition, on my expedition to find the plants, and we're gonna have a discussion. So just stay tuned and find this plant. This is Myosotis sylvatica, the woodland forget-me-not, more than a pretty flower. It's short-lived perennial native to Europe, thriving in moist, shady soils, often blooming in early springs. Its name means mouse ear in Greek, referring to its soft, hairy leaves. Its striking blue petals with yellow center aid pollinators' attraction. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, it contains tannins, flavonoids, and pyrrolizidine alkaloids, known for anti-inflammatory and mild and astringent effect. Historically, it symbolizes remembrance and fidelity. During World War I and II, it became a quiet emblem of memory. It supports early pollinators and reseeds naturally, delicate in form but ecologically and culturally enduring. Myosotis sylvatica, science, symbolism, and resilience in one flower. Brought to you by Syed for Bukhari Father and Son, a Razaravian presentation. Please follow for more exciting new medicinal plants, wild plants. Follow for more. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello guys, this is Sayed here.